Good morning, everybody. Have a nice morning today. Have a very nice time with my English class at the beginning of the day. Welcome. You're most welcome to my digital classroom, your spoken English class. My class and all its associates are working hard for the development of your speaking and listening skills. You have to spend just 2 or 3 minutes a day for your own development. Today I will read a very beautiful and well-learned story with a striking lesson for all of us. Try to follow me. I know you can do the work. Yes, you can. Know the story, but I won't let you know the name of the story right now. You'll know the name and then moral at the end. Let's start the story. A dispute once arose between the wind and the sun over which was the stronger of the two. There seemed to be no way of settling the issue, but suddenly they saw a traveler coming down the road. "This is our chance," said the sun, "to prove who is right. Whichever of us can make that man take off his coat shall be the stronger. And just to show how sure I am, I will let you have the first chance." So the sun hid behind the cloud, and the wind blew an icy blast. But the harder he blew, the more closely did the traveler wrap his coat around him. At last the wind had to give up in disgust. Then the sun came out from behind the cloud and began to shine down upon the traveler with all his power. The traveler felt the sun's genial warmth, and as it grew warmer and warmer, he began to loosen his coat. Finally, he was forced to take it off altogether and to sit down in the shade of a tree and fan himself. So the sun was right after all. The name of the story, The Wind and the Sun, and the moral: participation is better than force.